Hi there, this is a Metanoia Minute. I'm Max. Neville used to end all of his lectures with a simple statement, "Now let us go into the silence." And then for a few minutes, he would let his audience members and himself sit in the silence. He didn't say, "Now let us affirm what we want," or "Now let us sit and chant I am," or some other mantra. He didn't implore us to do anything. He just said, "Now let us go into the silence." Sitting in this chair and going into the silence, I'm starting to see kind of why that is so valuable. It anchors me in the now. I'll post a Neville video about this in a little bit. But he had a thing called Two Thieves, where he said man is constantly robbed by two thieves, the past and the future. Sitting in the silence anchors me in the now. Thanks for watching.